the summer of love.
Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix this app has been turned off and isn't monitoring your computer in Windows 10, 8, 8.1 and 7. Please watch this video till end. You can see my Windows Defender is showing this program is turned off. Now follow my steps. Press Windows key plus R and type in gpedit.msc. Now go to Administrative Templates, then Windows Components. Scroll down and select Windows Defender. Click Turn off Windows Defender and disable it. Now search Windows Defender again. See, it's worked. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and subscribe for more videos.